श्रीशैलवंशसम्पूतात् सम्पत्सुधबुधाम्बुदेः प्राप्तागमान्तमनघं गोपालार्य महंश्रये श्रीमते गोपालार्य महादेशिकाय नमः. अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्रीमते अनन्तपद्मनाभार्य महादेशिकाय नमः. I was just wondering, with the onset of electronic equipments and unlimited communication data, are we really missing the pleasure of waiting nowadays? Do we ever know what it is to be in a state of expectation and enjoying when the expectation becomes a reality? In earlier days, when something had to be communicated, they were using a postcard to write a message. The postcard was carrying a very clear message with the fewest words possible. It had all clarity and there were no unnecessary details in it. The joy of waiting, the joy of writing the card and waiting for the card to be delivered and getting a reply from the concerned can never be explained. It will have to be experienced. When we waited, we had time to think, respond rather than react, mend our actions by mono role playing it in advance. But in today's fast world of DMs and chat, do we have time for all this? We will have to think. Sanjayan, due to Vyasar's grace, adopted this very strategy to help Dhritarashtra to do some self-realization. Sanjayan, in spite of receiving the special vision through his Acharyan Vyasar to see the happenings of Kurukshetra from where he was, he adopted the strategy to go there in person and return only after 10 days. Dhritarashtra was left clueless in the meantime for all the 10 days of even what is happening there in Kurukshetra. Sanjayan, gifted with his Acharyan's grace, understood the mindset of Dhritarashtra. By being away for 10 days, he gave him a chance to realize his mistake and stop the war against Pandavas. But unfortunately, Dhritarashtra continued to pursue what he was doing in spite of knowing that it was a grave mistake.